Welcome to our video on understanding the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. In this video, we will explore the basics of the framework and show you how to use it to protect your organization from cyber threats. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, created a framework to help organizations manage and reduce cybersecurity risks. The framework has three main parts: the framework core, the framework implementation tiers, and the framework profiles. First, let's talk about the framework core. It includes 5 important functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. These functions help organizations understand and manage cybersecurity risks. Identify. The identify function helps organizations know what they need to protect. For example, you should make a list of all your IT assets, like computers, software, and data. Next, protect. The protect function includes steps to keep your assets safe. For instance, use strong passwords and multi-factor authentication to secure sensitive information. Next, detect. The detect function helps you find out if something bad is happening. An example is using intrusion detection systems to monitor network traffic for unusual activities. Next, respond. The respond function involves taking action when you detect a cybersecurity event. Have a plan ready to respond to incidents, like a guide for what to do if there's a data breach. Next, recover. The recover function focuses on getting back to normal after a cybersecurity event. Make sure you regularly back up important data and have a recovery plan in place. 2. Framework implementation tiers. The implementation tiers show how well an organization is managing cybersecurity risks. There are 4 tiers: partial, risk-informed, repeatable, and adaptive. Next, framework profiles. Profiles help organizations see where they are now and where they want to be with cybersecurity. A current profile shows what you're doing now, and a target profile shows what you aim to do. Let's look at an example of a small healthcare provider using the NIST Cybersecurity Framework. In the identify function, they list all medical devices, IT systems, and patient records. For protect, they use role-based access control to limit access to patient records. In detect, they use monitoring systems to watch log data. In respond, they have an incident response plan, and in recover, they regularly back up data and have a disaster recovery plan. The NIST Cybersecurity Framework helps organizations manage cybersecurity risks in a structured way. By following its guidelines, you can better prevent, detect, respond to, and recover from cyber incidents. Thank you for watching. Stay secure.